everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope you're having a great day. I have some eBay finds. So let's go ahead and see what I got at eBay. And also, I'm rocking my vintage 1941, 1980s Coach bag. And it has the pink fabric inside, and then this is a zipper in this style here. Has a zipper that goes on the top. It's gold and canvas, and it has 1941 all over it, and it has feet on the bottom. So if you want to see what fits in this, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to put together a little video for you. And it still has the hang tag on it. I've had this for a long time. It's still very usable. Very cool bag. All right. Okay, let's see what I got here. All right, what do we got here? All right, that's my underwear, so I don't think you want to see that. All right, number 2. I had to open all these for the border, so I haven't actually seen all of it. All right, this is a magnetic tool, telescopic, that's pretty big. And you pick up magnets or like little bolts or things like that. So I got that for Ted. So I'll put that over there. All right, let's see what else I picked up while having too much fun in the States today. What are you guys doing? Anything exciting? All right, this is a lipstick holder. These are very hard to find. I don't know why, but yeah. Oh, and I got one of these too at the Dollar Tree. Gonna put my charms in that. Those work out really good for cosmetics, charms, anything that you want to like stack. Yeah, it's very cool. All right, finally got into it. All right, this is pretty. All right, let's see what it looks like here. It's got a mirror. I'll have to re-glue that back on. It fell off. But yeah, pretty cool. $2.25. All right, so I'll have to re-glue the mirror. All right, that's not a big deal. All right, for $2.25, I mean, you can't really complain about that one. All right, let's see what else we got here. Okay, I got a 3rd generation iPod case. So hopefully this one will fit my AirPods. I bought a few, but they're like too big. So I don't know what the deal is, but this was only $5, so that worked out pretty good. Because these are about $25 US. So I got this on eBay for $5. All right, and Saturday we're off to Loon Bay, so make sure you like and subscribe because I'm going to be doing a vlog. So, there we go, finally got in. All right, let's see what this looks like. Okay, hopefully that's gonna work. Yeah, case though. Yeah, here's my other one. Oh yeah, that works a lot better. All right, there we go. Okay, cool. Finally got one that works. Crazy. All right, let's see what else I came up with. Okay, nothing else there. All right, this was a set of 4 vintage lipstick holders. So let's take a look here. All right. Okay, and put that one back together. All right, that one's not the best. Lipstick case with mirror. Okay. That's all gold. Not too bad. All right, this is a fairly good one. Oh, this is from Buxton, genuine leather. All right, so I'll stick that one in my pick-a-tin. All right, what is this one? I don't know. Okay, that's pretty nice though. This one here looks Chanel-like. All right. Yeah, feels good. All right, this one's pretty cool. This is why I got the whole thing, because I didn't really need all these, but I really like this. Those colors are pretty cool. So yeah, that's a good shape one. The other 2 aren't the best, but yeah. Maybe I'll stick this in my pick-a-tin. Yeah, that'd be cool. All right, the other ones I gotta fix. Okay. That's not too bad. That'd be a little project. All right, let's see what else I got here. Paper. All right, this I got at the Dollar Tree, Wet n Wild. Top coat, $1.25. This is the best top coat. So save your money and go to the dollar store and get their top coat, because it's just as good as the real expensive stuff. So don't waste your money. All right, got some shipping tape. That's exciting. And then we got 2 Reynolds wraps. Taking the RV, because you never have enough foil or saran wrap, so, or enough garbage bags. All right, so that's my eBay and Dollar Tree haul, and I hope everybody's doing great. Leave your comments below. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.